गिरिराधारी श्री राधा बिहारी जी की जय, श्री वृंदावन मदन मोहन जी की जय। जय नित्यलीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतनाम भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण ऋषि महाराज की जय। जय नित्यलीला पृष्ठम प्रभुपाद की जय, पावन गुरु की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। वीर गौर भक्त वृंद की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। चक्षुर्मिदं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी वै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति भवे देवी सप्तवत्सरी नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I will offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas. To continue, we will also discuss Sanatana Siksha, the teaching of Sanatana Goswami Pad. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when Sanatana Goswami Pad, he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Benares, Kashi. According to the requirement of Sanatana Goswami Pad, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave his answer. Sanatana Goswami asked to him, "Eyami kanamori jare tapatroy, iha nahi jani koi chehita hai. Sattva sadhan tattva bujite na pari, kripa kori sab tattva kahata apani." That means Sanatana Goswami he asked very simply, the Prabhu, who am I? Why am I suffering the three folds of Maya? What is the sadha and sadhan? What is our ultimate goal? And how will you achieve our ultimate goal? So then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu simply he told, Jive Sarubhai Krishna Nitya Das, Krishna Sashakti Vedabhed Prakash. All the living entities, they are called the part and parcel of Lord. And living entities, Atma, soul, that is called eternal and transcendent. That Sanskrit word is called Nitya and Sanatana. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also continue explain this way how jivas manifested in this material world. Yesterday I told that Tarsha Shakti jivas manifested from Krishna's marginal potency, Tarsha Shakti. Krishna has three types of potency. Though Krishna has innumerable potency, Ananta Shakti, but three potencies are very prominent. That is called Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti and Maya Shakti. Chit Shakti, that is a transcendental potency. Krishna, he manifests his transcendental world, that is the Chit Jagat. Or Krishna's Maya's potency, Krishna manifests this material world. That's considered in the Maya Jagat. This Jagat, this material world is called Maya Jagat, material world. Or another potency that is called Tarsha Shakti or Jiva Shakti. So Jivas manifested from Krishna's marginal potency or Tarsha Shakti. Yesterday I told how Jivas attracted with the Maya and coming in this material world. And Maya Devi, she also grabbed to us and she gives us two bodies. What is that? A gross body and subtle body. Then Maya Devi, she very nicely packaged to us. And rope, and he also tied with the three ropes, Sattva, Raja and Tama. And Maya Devi, she gives many kinds of false egos. These things. I am man, I am a woman. This is also egos giving. I am learned, I am a scholar. Many kinds of egos. I am Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, Brahmachari, Banjasti, Sannyasi, many kinds of we have. And then we completely forget to Krishna and wandering in the cycle of birth and death. Again and again entered in the womb of mother and coming out from the mother, give up this body and again enter. This is going on this unlimited time. We are wandering in the cycle of birth and death. Brahmite Brahmite kono bhagya, wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. The very extreme fortune living entities get the association of sadhu. Everyone would not get association of sadhu. Why? Yesterday I told. Why everyone will not get association of sadhu? What is the reason? That is called lack of sukriti. If you have no sukriti, you cannot get the association of sadhu. কোনো ভাগ্যে কোনো জীবের শ্রদ্ধা যদি হয় তবে সেই জীব সাধু সঙ্গ করে। When our Sukriti will mature and accumulate it, then we will get the association of pure sadhu, Shuddha Bhakta. But behind actual Sukriti, that is called spiritual path activity, Sukriti. Then in a study we also discussed there are 3 types of Sukriti. What is that? Krishna Das. What is the 3 types of Sukriti? You forget or not? You are Krishna Das or Maya Das? Which Das? Huh? Krishna Das. Now you are Maya Das. You, when you realize you transcend consumer, then you use Krishna Das. Now you are Maya Das. All the living in the material world condition soul means Maya Das. The servant of Maya Das. But we try to become Krishna Das. Understand? Now you are Maya Das. So yesterday we also discussed the 3 types of Sukriti. One is called Karmanmukhi Sukriti, Jnananmukhi Sukriti and Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti. And with the association of Karmis, then our Karmanmukhi Sukriti come and tendency will come to perform the karma. The fruit of karma going to heavenly planet, and when our karma then Punna pious activity will finish and again come down in this material world. This study will discuss these things. Jnananmukhi Sukriti with the association of the Jnanis, then our tendency will come to merge in Brahma, Brahmavadis, impartialist. This is it. Bhakti-mukhi Sukriti with the association of pure devotee of Lord, then our Bhakti-mukhi Sukriti. Yesterday we will discuss these things. And devotees also, devotees of Lord, many kinds of devotees of Lord, not one. Yesterday we discussed these things. Vaikuntha Sadhu, Ayodhya Sadhu, Dwaraka, Mathura and Golok Vrindavan. And Golok Vrindavan also different kinds of sadhu, not one type of sadhu. Those who are devotees of Sakha Bhav, friendship mood with Krishna, Subal Siddham. Subal Siddham also they are sadhu. Then if you get the association of Sakha Bhav sadhus, then your tendency will come how to achieve the Guru Vrindavan in the mood of Sakha. Sakha means friendship mood and serve to Krishna with friendship mood. Vatsala Bhav sadhu is also there. Nanda, Jashoda, they are called Mahat sadhu. Then your tendency will come to serve to Krishna in the parental mood under guidance of Nanda and Jashoda. Then another sadhu, sweetness mood, Madhurya Bhav, Kanta Bhav, conjugal mood sadhu. That is called gopis. Gopis, their mood, that is called conjugal mood. Very nice sweet mood. They are sadhus. But that sadhu is also different. Chandravali also sadhu. Who wants to become sadhu to Krishna under guidance of Chandravali? Krishna Das. You want? What do you want? No one. Chandravali is also there. In our Gaudiya Sampradayas. And they love Chandravali. Why? Because Chandravali, she also serves to Srimati Radhika. If without Chandravali, how Radha Krishna's Leela will be more increased. But we are not going to the side of Chandravali. Chandravali she also serves. Because service two types of service. One is called Annoy and another is called Vyatirik. Annoy Vyatirik means the service also two types there. Annoy and Vyatirik. Annoy means with love and affection. Direct service. A Vyatirik means opposite way. This service. This is the question. Without Chandravali, Radha Krishna's prem will not increase. Ishta sadhan, anishta badhak. Maybe you not understand. It's a very high level katha. In Jayavadar Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this way. Give an example. Once in Bhandirvan, you go Vrindavan, Parikrama. If you go one place, that is called Bhandirvan. Bhandirvan, understand? Very, very nice, beautiful. They are the Bhandir Bhat, the banyan tree. Under the banyan tree, Radha Krishna, they perform sweet leelas also there. So, very close to the Bhandir Bhat, Bhandirvan, then Radha Krishna, Lalita, Visakha, all they are meeting together. And Srimati Radhika is very close to Krishna. Very nice, sweet, amorous pastimes are going on there. And in the meantime, one the parrot of Chandravali. Understand? One the parrot of Chandravali. Parrot, understand? Papagai. So Chandravali's parrot. So how Radha Krishna meeting together. And then the parrot flying and returned back to told to Chandravali. Hey Chandravali, do you know? Now Srimati Radhika, she is meeting with Krishna. Then Chandravali become very angry because rival party. And Chandravali, she is called a rival. A rival of Srimati Radhika. Then Chandravali little bit calm. In Bhandir Bhat, little bit far away, she saw. Oh, this is true. Srimati Radhika, she is meeting with Krishna. And sweet aromas pastime is going on there. Then Chandravali become very angry. So much itching in her heart. And fierceness, jealousy is coming in there. Then he is thinking, what will do now? Then Chandravali, she came in Javat. And Chandravali, she told to Jatila. Hey Jatila, do you know? Now your daughter-in-law Srimati Radhika, she is now in Bhandir Bhat and she is meeting with Krishna. Then Jatila's mind is very disturbed. Then Jatila is thinking, what to do now? Then Jatila, she called all the old ladies in Jabat, Purnamasi and others. And they will come with me and show how my daughter-in-law Srimati Radhika, she is meeting with Krishna. Today I will catch him in red-handed. Direct. And so too. Then Jatila and Kutila both are coming now. Both are coming. And also others, old ladies, because Jatila means who makes the Jatila. Jat. Kutila, they are making that sound. So their name is very nice also, Jatila and Kutila. The Jatila, Kutila and others, old ladies, they are coming very close to Bhandir Bhat, where Radha and Krishna, They are performing sweet amorous pastimes. In the meantime, one parrot of Srimati Radhika. Radhika's parrot.
Spy.
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 You come this side. Radhika's parrot came. Sukapakshi. Subha. Her name is Subha. So Radhika's parrots came, and Radhika's parrot told, "Hey Radha Krishna, do you know? Jatila Kutila are coming soon." They gave me. That time Srimati Radhika and Lolita Vishakha, they think what to do now. They will come and soon catch to us. And big problem will come. And whole Braj will be propaganda. Big propaganda. Advertisement. Yeah, how Radha Krishna meeting today. What will do now? Then Krishna told, "Hey Radhe, hey Lalita Vishakha, don't tell me. Listen my message. You go this way, another way. I am staying here." Then Lalita Vishakha, they also ran away in another way. Krishna is there. Then Krishna called his friends, Subal, and Madhumangal, Stoka Krishna, Lavanga, and Arjuna, and these types of very Priyanarma Sakha. They are coming. Then Subal, he also wear very nice, beautiful sari, as like Srimati Radhika. Because Subal face is as like Srimati Radhika. Our scriptures explain. And if Subal and put the clothes, sari, and you cannot to recognize who is Radha or who is Subal. Subal face and activities as like Radhika. Now Subal and disguised the form of Radhika and put very nice beautiful cloth and sari and also cover his head with the veil. You know? And then Krishna hold the hand of Subal and laughing, joking in this way. Then Jotila Kutila, very calm, very close to come. Jotila Kutila told to Purnamasi, "Look, you don't believe my daughter-in-law? They are not meeting together. Look now." Then Purnamasi told, "Look, your daughter-in-law or others. Have to see. Maybe Chandra will inside there." Because Purnamasi Devi, she told, "You are saying your daughter-in-law, Srimati Radharani, maybe Chandravali. Without looking her face, why are you giving the conclusion? This is Radharani." Then Jotila, this is true. Then Jotila, she also pulled the sari. Then Subal manifest. Understand? All the claps. Then Purnamasi Devi, heavy chastisement to Jotila Kutila, stupid nonsense. Rascal. This is the cowherd boys, they are playing here, herding the cows. And now they are playing here as a drama. Or you are thinking, this is your daughter-in-law Radharani. That is Radharani. This is Subal. And you are doing drama. So male person and put the clothes of female. So there is not the female. Then Jotila Kutila noticed, oh, this is true. That time they become very ashamed. Look this. This way Lila is going on there. Yeah? That's it. So why I am saying this katha? This Ishta sadhak, Anishta badhak. Yeah? Their Lila is going in this way. Sometimes the friends of Krishna, Subal Siddham, so they are helping. So how Radha and Krishna, they come out from the danger. Because big problem came. But Subal is very expert how to help their Leela. So just I also explained this. Radha Krishna Leela Vati Gudatara Das Vatsaladi Nahi Sab Gochar Sabek Sakhi Gane Tata Udikar Sakhi Leela Kare Tata Sakhi Leela Sadoy Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita. The conversation with Rai Ramananda and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Rai Ramananda told this katha. Though in Golok Vrindavan many types of sadhus are there, I also told you. Subal, Sridham, Nanda, Yashoda, Gopis. But topmost sadhu, who is topmost sadhu? Yesterday I told you. Srimati Radha. Topmost, highest sadhu is Srimati Radhika. And in this way, Golok Vrindavan, they are performing sweet Leela. So saying the Radha Krishna and A Leela, Ati Gurataro. Radha Krishna, this Leela is very, very confidential. Even where Radha and Krishna, they are performing sweet amorous pastime, in that place, those who are devotee of Dasa, servitual mood, Dasara sadhana, cannot enter in that place. Those who are devotees of Sakha also, friendship mood, they cannot go inside. Even those who are devotees of Vatsala Ras, parental mood, they cannot go inside. Yogmaya, protect. Only those who are the devotees of Madhurja mood, sweetness mood, they can go there. But sometimes also Chandravali cannot go. Very confidential place. Even Chandravali cannot go. What place? Which place Chandravali cannot go?
Radhakunda.
Radhakunda, you are right. Radhakunda, only those who are the Srimati Radhika's party and groups, they can go. No one can go there. Even Chandravali cannot go. Even sometimes Jatila Kutila, they come in Surya Kunda. Surya Kunda, listen, Surya Kunda is there. Sometimes Jatila Kutila also coming in there. Surya Kunda. But Radha Kunda, no one. Even Chandravali cannot go. Even Jatila Kutila cannot go. Jogmaya, this Radha Kunda, completely what? Protected by Jogmaya. And only those who are the eternal associated of Srimati Radhika. And this is the process. And for this regard, I told the topmost place that is called Radha Kunda. This Radha Kunda is none different from Srimati Radharani. The glories of Srimati Radhika none different from Radha Kunda. Radhar Mahima Jano Kundir Mahima. Kundir Mahima Jano Radhar Mahima. The glories of Radha Kunda are none different from Srimati Radhika. Because Radha Kunda means is what? Srimati Radhika herself manifested in the form of Radha Kunda. Because this is called transcendental. You cannot imagine how Radha Krishna they are meeting in Radhakund. And for this regard, our Rupa Goswami Pad and explain this way. Vaikuntha janito vara madhupuri tatra virasotsava Vindarana madara pani ramana tatra vigavardhanam Radha Kundamyamavi Gokulapate Premamrita Plavanat Urjadasya Virajatu Giritate Sevang Vivekinaka. Upadesamrita, the nectar instruction. Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse. The glories of Radha Kunda. Vaikuntha janito vara Madhupuri. Madhupuri means Mathura. Mathura is higher than Vaikuntha Dham. Tatrapi Rasotsavat Vrindavan. Vrindavan is higher than Mathura. Because Krishna performed sweet Ras Lila in Vrindavan. But Vrindavan, what kinds of Ras Lila Krishna performed? What Lila? What Ras Lila? That is called Panchayati Raslila or Saradiya Raslila. Saradiya Raslila means autumn season Rasalila, which is described in Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavan Vitaratri Saradutpulla Mallika Parantu Manas Chakri Yogamayam Upasritam. Sri Sukha Vacha, Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 29th chapter. First look. Bhagavan Vitaratri Saradutpulla Mallika Parantu Manas Chakri Yogamayam Upasritam. That means Krishna, he performed autumn season Raslila in Vrindavan. So that Raslila, his name is called Saradiya Raslila. Understand? Or that Raslila is also another name is called Panchayati Raslila. Panchayati means all kinds of gopis assembled. They all together meet in that Raslila in Vrindavan, on the bank of the Jamuna, under the banyan tree. Understand? Bansi Bhat. Krishna played the flute, then all the gopis came. Nisammagetam tadananga vardhanam rajastiyo ajugunuttama olakshita. Srimad Bhagavatam. Nisammagetam tadananga vardhanam gopas. When Krishna played the flute, then all the gopis, they gave up their household duties. And they ran towards Krishna. And all gopis are thinking, Krishna is calling to me. This is a miracle. Krishna plays the flute, but the sound is what? Only one sound coming. What is that? Bija mantra, Gayatri Bija mantra. What is that? Klim. Jagam kalom bam dhisa manoharam. Klim. Bansi. Flute making the sound. What sound? Klim. Kala I ma. Klim. But all the gopis, they are thinking, Krishna, only he is calling to me. Understand? Radhe Radhe boli murali dakibe modiya isari namo. Radhe Radhe boli murali dakibe modiya isari namo. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this. Krishna plays the flute, but sound is only one sound. Like a clean. Bija mantra. Understand? The seed of the mantra. Bija mantra. Clean. Our Gayatri's mantras. Kam Gayatri, Gopal mantras. What mantra? What Bij mantra? Clean. And this clean enter in their ears of the gopis. And all the gopis are just thinking, Krishna is calling my name. Srimati Radhika is thinking, Krishna is calling my name only. Chandravali is thinking Krishna is calling my name. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Chandravali, Chandravali, Lalita, Visakha. So, Nisamma Geetam Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriyo Ajogunu Uttama Alakchito. And all the gopis, they are running. And side by side, others gopis also running. But they did not see to each others. Then, how is going on this? Because they completely absorbed with Krishna. And if you absorb, and if you any activities, you cannot see who is sitting and to left side or right side. Understand this? One hunter, he just taking his arrow and making the signing, signing, sir, with the one stone.
Sharpening. Sharpening
the arrows. Completely absorbed. And in the meantime, some people, they also dancing, singing with their marriage ceremony. Understand? In the road, people are going. And also making many sound, instruments, drum, then that the party, they also went out. Then one person came after a few minutes. Have you seen the marriage parties people also passed this way? That the hunter people, I did not see. I did not listen. That means that hunter completely absorbed to sharpening his arrows. That means absorb. This. Why I am saying this? In the same way, the gopis of Vrindavan, they are running towards Krishna. Because their ears is only the sound is the vibration coming. Their name, Krishna sound, voice, Radhe, 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 Lalite, 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 Chandravali, Chandravali, Visakha. This is. For this regard, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told, Nisamma Geetam Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriyo Ajognu Uttama Alakchito. Alakchito means they did not see to each other, because they completely absorbed with Krishna. And their ears, this sound, vibration is what? Krishna's sweet voice. Krishna is calling their voice. For this regard, they did not see to each other. So at Nisamma Geetam Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriyo Ajognu Uttama Alakchito. So just I also explained this. So Krishna performed autumn season Raslila in Vrindavan on the bank of Jomuna under the banyan tree. And all kinds of gopis, they also assembled, came. Yes, sir. Many kinds of gopis are. Nitya Siddha, Sadhana Siddha, Shruti Chori, Muni Chori, Deva Karna, many kinds of gopis. If you read this book, Gopi Gita book, I explain this way. Have you read or not? No, but the Gopi Gita. My Gopi Gita. Ravat. Shruti Chori, Muni Chori, Sadhana Siddha, Nitya Siddha, many types of gopis. So for this regard, this Raslas, another name is called, what did I say? I forget. Panchayati Ras. Panchayati, understand? And all kinds of gopis, Dandakavana rishis, those who perform bhajan and sadhana thousand years, and just to darshan to Lord Ramchandra. And that's it. In the forest of Dandakaranya. And that time the so much intoxicated with Lord Ramchandra. Because Ramchandra's complexion and Krishna's complexion is similar. About similar. And they were running to meet with Krishna, Ramchandra. The Ramchandra told, I will not accept you as like my consort. But after my Ram Lila, I will perform Krishna Lila. And that time I will accept you as my consort. So my joke Maya, all you take birth in Vrindavan. So Dandakaranya rishis, now they also took birth in Vrindavan. Okay? In the home of gopis. So they are called Rishichoris, gopis. Rishichori, Munichori, Shutichori, many types of gopis. Okay? Understand? How many types of gopis? Many. Sadhana Siddha, Nitya Siddha, these gopis also. Shutichori, Munichori, these gopis. Okay? And many people, Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tarsapakta, Suhitpaksha. Okay? If you read this book, they don't understand what I am speaking. Maybe you cannot understand, because this is very high level.
Is this different from Gurudev's Gopi Gita book?
Now, this is I wrote, and I collected Gurudev's all lecture. Actually, they also manifest the Gopi Gita, that's Gurudev, and Gurudev gave Harikat, Gurudev gave lecture. With Tamal Krishna Maharaj sometimes. Sometimes what is called?
Hidden path of devotion. Hidden path of devotion.
And that time they record, and that record just they as it is at. And this book, I also 30 years I associated with the Guru, Gurudev. And Gurudev many times he gave Gopi Gita Katha. So I note, and I Gurudev Katha note and summary, and I also collected some commentary of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and Siddhar Goswami Pad and others. For this regard, I wrote here also. This is it. Collected the commentaries by Rupa Goswami Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad, Siddhar Goswami Pad, and Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Different I collected. But main Katha, Gurudev Katha. Many times Gurudev gave Gopi Gita Katha. In the beginning, and 1985 or that time Gurudev, he gave also class. And that time I also wrote on my notebook. Then I collected and then I put this grantha. Understand? So for this regard, they are also, their Gopi Gita, my Gopi Gita, most of the similar, some also not same. Because I collected many Gurudev Kathas. But they just certain one day class. Understand? And that time also, yes, that time I also present. When Gurudev gave class with Tamal Krishna Maharaj and what is his name? Giriraj Maharaj.
Bhakti Charu.
Mostly and they are coming this and Gurudev room and special Gurudev gave the Gopi Gita Katha. That Katha is really good. They also do. At this book I also collected many. So you can, some specialty you can get this thing. You can both go Gopi Gita, no problem. But this something you get more. Understand? Anubhascha, Brihadvascha, Shastribha, Kusalo Nara. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, who is very expert and sober person, he collects all the sweets, honeys, nectar from different persons. As like the bumblebees collect the honey from all the flowers. So they Anubhascha, Brihadvascha, Shastrabha Kusolo Nara Jatha Satapada Iva. Satapada means black bees. Black bees, 6 legs. And Satapada means black bees.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebees. Going to the different flowers. and taking one flower and flying another flower. Have you seen or not?
Yeah, big. It's big.
Big.
Scary.
So in this way, our scripture also explains those who are sober, intelligent person. They also collect all the sweet nectars, Harikatha, from Vaishnavas. Understand? These things. The Gurudev Katha is here. Also, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad, and all our especially Rupa Goswami Pad, many things. And I also collected Rupa Goswami Pad, Ujjal Vimani's Katha, and put in there also. Understand? It is very sweet. If you read the Jiva. You can read Gurudev Gopi Gita, that is called the one-day class. But here, many days and many kathas in there, many examples, and also commentary of Vishwanath Chakravarti, Sanatana Goswami Pad. So now coming in this way, just I forgot to explain. The Krishna performed Ras dance of autumn season Ras dance in Vrindavan on the bank of Jamuna under the banyan tree, and that time all kinds of gopis they came and assembled and performed Ras dance with Krishna. That Ras dance, his name is called, what is his name? Panchayati Ras dance or Saradiya Ras dance. Saradiya Ras. Actually, the Saradiya Ras or Panchayati Ras described in Srimad Bhagavatam. The Saradiya Ras. So the first sloka of Ras Panchadaya, first sloka. What is the first sloka? Nisam Bhagavanu Pita Ratri Sardutpalla Mallika Rantu Manas Chakre Yoga Maya Mupasitam. So now coming is Saradiya Ras. Or Panchayati Ras. Panchayati, all kinds of gopis they assembled. For this regard, Sanskrit word they call Panchayati. Panchayati, understand? Different mixed ingredients. When you cooking, one kind of ingredients you get. That is called Panchphoran. Panchphoran, understand? And they are mixed many kinds of ingredients. And cumin seed, what is called?
Coriander.
And coriander. And different ingredients. Not many kinds of.
Curry.
Name is Panchphoran. And 5 types in actually not 5 types, many kinds of. And that's very tasty also. You can put only cumin seed, or you can put the many kinds of ingredients mixed together and put in the hot oil. Understand? You are cooking or not? You are cooking?
All spice.
All spices.
All spice.
All spice.
Garam masala.
That is called Panchayati. Why? So I have discussed this thing. That means Krishna's Ras dance, Saradiya Ras dance, all kinds of gopis came. Just laughing. All kinds of gopis came. For this regard, that Ras name is called also Panchayati Ras. Remember. So Vrindavan is higher than Mathura. Because Krishna performed sweet aromas pastime with the gopis, especially Ras dance. But here, Rupa Goswami Pad again also explains. Jivindarana Mudrapani Tatrapi Govardhana. But Giriraj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. Where? Mudarapani Ravana Tatrapi Govardhana. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan in his left hand and small finger. Yes, Vrindarana Mudarapani Ramana Tatrapi Govardhana. And Krishna performed his sweet, confidential aromas pastimes in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan. Understand? Very confidential place. The cave of Giriraj Govardhan. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she quoted one. Antaya Udriyavala Haridasa Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manang Tanati सहगोपगणै पानीय सुजवस कंदर कंदमूलै. Srimati Radhika Sri quoted Benugit. This sloka uttered in Benugit. And Srimati Raj Govardhan, and how she served our beloved Krishna. Hanta Udri Abala Haridas Uvarju Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manam Tanati Sagopa Goni Paniya Sujavasa Kandra Kandamule. So now coming in this way, Krishna performed his sweet almost pastimes in the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. And what pastime? Topmost pastime? Rasa Leela. Krishna also performed Rasa Leela on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. That Rasa Leela's name is called Basantik Rasa Leela. Remember? Basantik Rasa Leela. Vrindavan Rasa Leela's name is called Saradiya Rasa Leela or Panchayati Rasa Leela. And Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna performed Rasa Leela on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. That is called Basantik Rasa Leela. Basantik, understand? Basantik means? And that is called what season? Autumn season in Saradiya Rasa Leela, or Basantik Rasa Leela name is called Basantik English Basanta.
Summer?
No, before summer.
Basanta is dawn.
Spring season Rasa Leela. Spring season Rasa Leela. Remember, that is called Basantik Rasa Leela. That Basantik Rasa Leela only Srimati Radhika's and also Chandravali's party is there. That means those who are Nitya Siddhas Gopis, they can attend Basantik Rasa Leela. Everybody cannot. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The difference between Basantik Rasa Leela and Saradiya Rasa Leela. Saradiya Rasa Leela, all kinds of gopis came. Or Basantik Rasa Leela, spring season Rasa Leela, only Nitya Siddhas gopis. Those are eternal sweet of Krishna. Nitya Siddhas gopis. Radha, Lalita, Visakha, Chandravali, Bhadra, Saibha, they can come. Because Yogamaya arranged, because all Rasa Leela is going around. Yogamaya Upasritam, only remember. Krishna performs this Leela with his Yogamaya. So for this regard, everybody cannot go there. Only those who are Nitya Siddhas Gopis. Radha, Lalita, Visakha, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Chitra, Champakulata, Chandravali, Padma, Saibha, they are eternal. They can come. Very nice bit. And Jayadev Goswami Pad Gita Govinda Grantha, Gita Govinda, composed and described about this Basantik Rasa Leela. Madhava Madhava Jai, Madhava Madhava Mabada Kaitava. Very nice, beautiful. Gita Govinda. And Mahaprabhu always absorbed to listen about Gita Govinda Rasa Leela. Jaya Jaya Deva Hari, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari, Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopal, Nanda Dulal, Jasoda Dulal, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari, Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopal, Nanda Dulal, Jasoda Dulal, Jaya Jaya Deva Hari. Jayadev Goswami. Huh? Fencing, because this very confidential almost pastimes in spring season, Rashtriya. And that's called Basanti Rashtriya. And everybody cannot go. Those who are sadhan siddha, Srutichari, Munichari, everybody cannot go. Only Nitya Siddha goes. Now we are giving Koran, only human seed. No all types of ingredients. Understand?
Yeah.
You can give foreign, two types. Only you can give the foreign and chok, jira. Jira, understand?
Yeah.
Cumin seed.
Cumin seed.
Or you can give also mixed jira, cumin seed and others.
Yeah. Mustard seeds.
Mustard seed and many things.
Coriander
Coriander seed, many things. That is called his what? Saradiya Rashtriya.
Oh,
Or Basantik Rashtriya, only Nitya Siddha devotees, only jira. Understand? Just try to understand your answer. Nitya Siddha's gopi there. When you cook, remember this katha. And Uddipan will come. Stimulation will come in your heart. What I am cooking. And what Rashtriya I am doing in my cooking. Which Rashtriya you are performing in your kitchen room. Understand? But don't you think the mundane? Male and female person not in there. Only gopis are there. So, coming in this way. So Vrindavan, Giriraj Govardhan is higher than Vrindavan. Chandra Sarovar, even the Chandradev, when moon god Chandra, completely stunned, cannot move. For this regard, you go there, that is also one pond that is called Chandra Sarovar. And the moon completely stunned, cannot move in. And for this regard, that Leela, remembrance, and Krishna's great grandson, and he also manifested that the pond that is called Chandra Sarovar. When we are going to that place and discuss this katha, Chandra Sarovar katha, and this thing. Chandra Gopi's face is as like round figure of moon. And for this reason, Gopi's face also is very nice, beautiful. This thing. This is Uddipam, stimulation coming. Those who are high class, exalted, pure devotee of Lord, that time automatically there's spontaneous stimulation coming in their heart. Mundane people, they cannot understand. If you go alone, Giriraj, Govardhan, go to Chandra Sarovar, your stimulation will not come. But if you go to Chandra Sarovar with the pure devotee of Lord, Suddha Bhakta, and listen to this Hari Katha, then your heart will overjoyed. For this regard, explain. If you go to Vrindavan Parikrama, Giriraj Parikrama, with pure devotee of Lord. This is the process. Gaurayama Jesavasthane Karala Manaranghe Sesavasthana Herava Ami Pranay Bhavakata Sanghe. Pranay means Pranay Bhakta. You have to go Vrindavan to Parikrama with high class exalted Brajarasik Sadhu and Guru. Without the association of Brajarasik Sadhu and Guru, how possible the stimulation coming in your heart? Just to exercise your feet. Exercise your feet. Parikrama. For this day, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Because Hatiya Durdesh, without sadhu sangha, that sadhu is pure devotee, always give emphasis this word, Brajarasik Sadhu Guru. You do parikrama, Giriraj Govardhan. You do parikrama, Vrindavan. This is true. But how do you do parikrama? With high class Brajarasik sadhu and guru and listen Hari Katha. Association means listen Hari Katha. Not that the mosquito sucking the blood. This is not the sadhu sangha. Gurudev told, mosquitoes, they also associate with the sadhu. But what they are doing?
Sucking the blood.
Sucking the blood. This is not sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha means is what? Listen, listening, hearing Hari Katha. Then your heart will be manifest. Heart will overjoyed. How many times you went Vrindavan? Parikrama. How many times? 3 times, 4 times? But you have to go to Vrindavan Parikrama, Viraj Parikrama with Brajarasik sadhu. That means you are listening Hari Katha from. If you go Chandra Sarovar, sit in there, then Brasik sadhu will be glorified. All these katha. Then your heart will be moved. And that is called the perfect parikrama. Otherwise just you going, walking. No Hari Katha, just buying some yogurt, lassi, and eating some samosa,
Shopping.
Shopping. Parikrama, very nice, Vrindavan Parikrama. And your feet very tired. Oh, I am very tired to the Rajguru. Then sleeping. 2 days, completely what? Sleep as I did. But what happened? Oh, too much for me. This is not parikrama. This is called just exercise, feet exercise. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he told, this is called leg or feet exercise. If you go to the, what is called, the exercise place?
Education City Circle.
The people in the
Gym.
Gym. Gym, what they doing? Holding that thing and also running. One place that he is not going anywhere. Just with the machine rolling thing, and just he also up and down his feet. He thinking I am running. Actually he is not going anywhere. He is not going 1 meter. Same place, just he up and down his feet. And he thinking I am running. How many kilometers? When turn his face, oh, I am the same place. And this is what gym people are going to the exercise place and messing, holding that way. And this one. And just also what? His feet up and down. And the machine rolling the seats. Right? And thinking, oh, I am running. How many kilometers? 10 kilometers. Messing also showing. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you are running. But you stop, turn your face. Still there. Not 1 inch move. So Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he gave this example. If you go Vrindavan alone, without sadhu sangha, that is called feet exercise, eyes exercise. Looking here and there, oh, very nice.
Sightseeing. Sightseeing.
What?
Sightseeing.
Sightseeing. Sightseeing.
Sightseeing.
Nothing. It is better go to the, what is it called? Yesterday we went to the park. Oh my God. I don't know, I understand their song. Zumba. Staying one place, just there, moving their hands and legs. I don't know what they are singing. Chalo. This is not my place. This is the place of others. This is the place of mundane people. This is not my place, morning walk. So I chant holy names, one confidence place, and for the very nice, beautiful lake and trees, and chant holy name, Japawat, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Japawat means you can remember him. First time of Krishna. So now coming to this, just I return back. What time you have? So Rupa Goswami Pad also explained this. So lack of Giriraj Govardhan, that is Basamti Giriraj. And only Nitya Siddhas Gopi they can come. And Jogmaya protect. But here also explained again. Radha Kunda Mehapi Kukulopate Premamrita Plavanat Urjadasya Virajatu Viritate Sevang Viveki Nakaha. Topmost place Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda is higher than Giriraj Govardhan. Why? Already I told that Radha Kunda completely was protected by Yoga Maya. Only those who are the group of Srimati Radhika, Radha Paksha. Understand? The group of Srimati Radha Paksha, they can enter. Even Chandravali's party, Nityasiddha Chandravali, Sirpa, Bhadra, Padma, they cannot go inside of Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda very confidential place. And that I told. Sometimes Jyotila Kutila they used to come Surya Kunda. Surya Kunda very close to Radha Kunda. They can come Surya Kunda, Jyotila Kutila. But Radha Kunda, no one. Even Chandravali, even Jyotila Kutila can come. Only those who are very Indians, dear Srimati Radhika, they can come. Because Radha Kunda is very confident. For this regard, he is saying, Radha Kunda Myapi Kukulopati Premamrita Plagunat. The flood of divine love is there. Prema Vanna. Understand? The flood of divine love. What kinds of flood? Big flood, tsunami or a hurricane coming. Understand? That time, the water of the ocean, of how many meters? Maybe 20 meters. 23, sometimes 50 meters. The water of the ocean coming up and completely what? Wash.
Submerge.
Everything. If you go to the internet, when the hurricane coming, very strong. Understand? At that time, complete 1,000 people also died. And all the big buildings. Understand? America, their building is very, how many stories? Maybe 60, 70, 80 stories. And big area. But still the waves of the ocean crushed everything. Big flood. And the water of the ocean coming this way. Boom, boom. If you sit, if you go. Still coming also, this time also coming. But maybe will not come. That is called, I also internet, they are saying, that is called Irma. Coming in Miami or Florida. Very powerful. And the water of the ocean coming very up. This time they are saying maybe 23 meters the water will be going up. So you can see they are flood. And waves are coming this way. You cannot run away, how will go? Big buildings, everything completely collapse. So in the same way, where Radha and Krishna, sweet aromas pastimes on the bank of Radha Kunda, what kinds of prema lahari, the waves of prema is going on there. You cannot imagine. We cannot explain in our any words what kinds of prema. So for this here, Rupa Goswami Pad explain Radha Kunda Mihaputi Gopulapate Premam Mrita Plavanat. Plavanat means flood of their divine love. As like tsunami, hurricane. What their Radha Krishna Lila is going on there? Rasla is going on there. We are conditioned soul, we cannot understand what the Rasla, when Radha and Krishna and Gopi are dancing, when Krishna played the flute, what kinds of their activities are going on this way. Eh? Mundane people just they know the mundane things. Eh? If you go to the any place, one famous singer, he is singing, and thousand people just dancing. They cannot understand what he is speaking. Eh? He sing, singing with his hand, big drums, what is called? Instruments. Eh? Eh? But you can understand what he is speaking. Because you are very far. But thousand in front of you, thousand people also there. Eh? A big mouth and loud sound also. Eh? Just everybody on the rhythm you are listening. And you are dancing. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. In this material world, we are just saying this. Eh? But Radha Krishna Lila is not like this. Eh? Especially when Krishna played the flutes and sweet melodies coming and everybody heart complete. So for this regard, I am singing this. Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopigan. Man mera ban gayi re sakhi pavan vrindavan. Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopigan. Man mera ban gayi re sakhi pavan vrindavan. Lalita nache, Visakha nache, nache sakhi gan. मन मेरे बन गई रे सखी पावन वृंदावन यमुना नचे गंगा नचे नचे गोपीगण मन मेरे बन गई रे सखी पावन वृंदावन rasa means rasate asadati rasa they are releasing different melodies from the heart of the gopis. Rasa means this there is transcendental things, not any mundane things. And no any mundane sexual things. Very confident in this. So for this regard. So here for this regard, here Rupa Goswami Pad use this word. Premamrita. Prema Amrita Plavanat. Sanskrit word. Prema means divine love. Amrita means nectar. Plavanat means flood. You understand the one word? Understand that? One meaning of the words. Prema Amrita Plavanat. Plavanat means flood. Prema means divine love. Amrit means nectar. The sweet nectarian flood is there. Effective.
Is this why in Bhagapur there is an iron chain? You go down to the...
You go and go everywhere.
There's an iron chain
Yeah.
that you have to hold as if you are expecting a big wave coming.
Yeah. Even Krishna also flooding and float, what is called. When this is going on, Krishna cannot survive himself also. Nayam surungo nitandarte prasadato sarjasitanam kandaruchonnam putonnam rasutsave rasutsaudgada brijasundarinam Nayam sriyango nitandarte prasadato sarjasitanam kandarucho putonna. Uddhavi recited this verse. So now coming in this way. So here also Purja Virajadu Gritati Sevang Vivekina Paho. Then with the Subar person, always absorb how to associate with high class Brajarasik, Sadhu and Guru, and listen Hari Katha. Follow Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki Jai. Jai Jai Sri Radha. Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo Radha Ramana Giridhari Sam Bano Ari Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari Radha Jai Shri Ram. Good man.
What is the name of Krishna's pastime at Radhakund? Is this the one? Premamrita Plavana.
Premamrita Plavana.
This is the pastime.
This is Ras.
This is the Ras. The Ras.
Rasalila, Radhakunda is all Rasalila is going on.
All Ras.
Premamrita Plavanat Purjat.
Maharaj, question, is there also called Nitya, Sadan Siddha Manjari?
No, this word not not use the imaginary word. Huh?
When the Rasa dance, when they are performing the Rasa dance, where are the Manjari situated?
Yes, also they are servicing. They are servicing Radha Krishna, Srimati Radhika. They need come